Zhejiang, Lianteng Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, established in 2009, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of filling machine, labeling machine, sealing machine, packing machine. We are located in Lishui with more than 10,000 square meters area and have branch in Wenzhou and Nanchang. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment. We have obtained CE certificates, and our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, America, and Southeast Asia. We have professional technicians, engineers, sales, and after-sales personnel, forming a high-quality and innovative team. The company adheres to the business philosophy of integrity, pragmatism, enterprising, innovation, and the principle of quality as the center and user as the goal, and is committed to the innovation and development of the enterprise. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We can provide you with one-stop service, including design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and after-sales service. If you have any questions or custom requirements, please feel free to contact us. The team will be here to serve you.